Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Techie Div. Today I'm showing you how to get your own auto clicker. So first you're gonna go to accessibility, click on switch control, and then recipes. You're gonna click on the button called recipes right under the switches. Create new recipe. I'm gonna name it auto clicker because I wanted it to be auto clicker, so I'm gonna name it like that. And then assign a switch, full screen, custom gesture. You're gonna see that little button right, and then you're gonna tap as fast as you can, and then you're gonna press the little button up there to save it. Okay, and then how to get it? You're gonna launch recipe, and then click on the right one. I actually have two, so I get kind of confused. Okay, it was this one, I bet, because it's all the way at the bottom. So, and then you just gotta triple click your home screen to get your auto clicker, guys. So that was the end of the video. Watch more to get more videos. Bye.